Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make a payment with Google Pay. Let's get straight into the video. Now, for in-store payments, what you want to do is to first ensure NFC is enabled. So you want to go to settings, connections, NFC to enable the NFC and turn that on, and then you want to unlock your device and to use Google Pay. And then you gotta hold the back of your phone near the contactless payments terminal in the store, and then authenticate the transaction using your fingerprint scanner, face ID, or pin. Then you just gotta wait for the payment confirmation on the terminal and your device, and that's gonna settle that. Now, for online payments, what you want to do is to select Google Pay as your payment method at checkouts. So you want to choose the credit card or the debit card that you want to use for the payments, and then you gotta authenticate the transaction using your fingerprint scanner, face ID, or it could be a pin, and then just confirm the payment details, and that will complete the transaction. Now, for in-app payments, what you want to do is to select Google Pay as your payment method within the app, and then choose the credit or debit card that you want to use for the payments, and then you got to authenticate the transaction using your fingerprint scanner, face ID, or pin, and then just confirm the payment details and complete the transaction. So for transit payment, of course, what you want to do is to add your transit card to Google Pay, and then just select your transit card as your payment method, and then hold your device near the transit reader and just wait for the payment confirmations. Now, a couple of tips and reminders for you guys. The first is to ensure that you have a stable internet connection. So you got to make sure that you have a stable internet connection to complete these transactions. The second, of course, is to keep your device software up to date. So you got to make sure that you keep your device software up to date to ensure compatibility with Google Pay. Now, the last is to use Google Pay with participating merchants. So you gotta make sure that you're using Google Pay with merchant stores that are, a part of this Google Pay system, just to make sure that this entire process is seamless and you gotta enjoy a seamless payment experience. So that's all I got for you guys today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you liked it, hope you found it useful. If you did like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already, because that helps us out a lot. And please don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our videos in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.